myself Sravani of class 8A. Today I am in front of you all to do an activity of our second chapter, linear equation in one variable. As you all know that linear equation just consists of one variable and its highest power is 1. There are two methods of solving linear equations, balancing and transposing method. Now let us do the activity. First, I am going to represent this equation 2y minus 3 is equal to 5. For this, let me take 2y. Now, to represent minus 3, I am taking 3 minus 1. Now, the equation is 2y minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2y minus 3. Now 5 can be represented by taking 5 plus 1s. Now the equation is 2y minus 3 is equal to 5. Now to solve this equation, we want to transpose minus 3 from LHS to the RHS. Remember that when minus 3 is transposed to RHS, it becomes plus 3. So let me take off minus 3 and move it to RHS. Now the equation becomes 2y is equal to 8. But how to solve this equation? Okay, if 2y is equal to 8, then y is equal to 8 by 2. Okay, I am taking this y back and dividing 8 by 2. We know that 8 by 2 is 4. So now the solution is y is equal to 4. So now let us represent the second equation, t plus 4 is equal to 2t. For this equation, let us take 1t. Now 4 can be represented by taking 4 plus 1s. Now the equation becomes t plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to t plus 4, which is equal to 2t. Now let me take 2t's. Now the equation is t plus 4 is equal to 2t. Now to find the solution of this equation, I want to transpose this t from LHS to the RHS. Remember, when we change this positive t from LHS to RHS, it becomes negative. I am taking this t off and now it becomes minus t. Now the equation becomes 4 is equal to 2t minus t. We know that 2t minus t is t, which can be represented like this. Now we got the equation as 4 is equal to t. Thus the equation is solved. Now I am going to represent the third equation, 5z minus 3 is equal to 12. For this, let me take 5z. To represent minus 3, I am taking 3 minus 1. 5z minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 5z minus 3, which is equal to 12. To represent 12, I am taking 12 1. Now the equation is 5z minus 3 is equal to 12. To solve this equation, I am transposing minus 3 from LHS to the RHS. Remember, when minus 3 is moved from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 3. I am taking this 3 from LHS and moving it to RHS. Now the equation becomes 5z is equal to 15. So to get the value of z, we can divide 15 by 5. So I am taking these z's off. Now let me divide 15 by 5. Now the equation becomes Z is equal to 15 by 5. We know that 15 by 5 is 3. So now it becomes like this. So we'll get the value of Z as 3. Finally, the equation is solved.